Okay, so it's the good old Forex market. Got the 1 hour chart up. And if you were going to just trend trade this on this smooth Akanashi, you got 4 layers. It's always going to be this low risk entry for me is this doji. These are only 10 pip candles. So here, put bracket that guy. Doji, doji, doji. But look at all these wicks. All your sell limits are up here at the 20. You just keep selling that thing. Here, look at this trap. About 3 pips. It's gonna break out. I don't think so. And that's just how it always is with these markets. You wish it was different, but it's not. Same story, different day. It's just how it is. Nothing you do about it. But I'm not a big fan of candles, so I'm going to go back to my line charts. Candles really too much to think about. Can't take it. Look at this template that's just nothing but the line chart with the candle bars or the paint bars running in the background. Easier to see the structure, easier to see the waves. Can really see peaks and valleys easy. There's no guesswork here. We don't like guesswork so much. The less guessing, the better. Take the guesswork out of this. Look, it's in an uptrend. Look, it's in a downtrend. Here's the top bottom of the 4 hour to get long. Very easy to see. Didn't quite make it back to that if you didn't put in your order kind of aggressive there. And here, bottom become top, blue. You're in sell mode. Here's where you get chopped. Right, here's where you get, but you got to pay attention to just the good old, head, shoulder, shoulder. Bottom comes at top, top goes bottoms. Everybody's after this, so we're going to sell up here for a pullback to here. If nothing else, and if it comes to here, maybe buy, but that could actually come and tumble down quite a bit now. That's definitely bullish for these. So 4 hour candles. Go to the next instrument here. Dollar cat. So I'm just going to whip out the infamous line chart on top of paint bars. So this has had a nice run. Let's go to run. So once again, it looks like it's going to come flying back through this. And this thing can move pretty violently, so we'll try to buy this on a bounce. They take it back to this. So I'll just pepper this with random orders, walk away. Nothing you can do about that trade. It looks like Australia is going to go up here. Usually these guys run opposite. Australia to the CAD. One goes up, one goes down. Because this is a pretty choppy road here. Very, very rangy thing. And let's put the template in here. Let's stick it in this one. I like to run the same template and everything. I guess it's kind of, you want to see everything with the same lens. If you're running a wide angle lens. So this looks like it's going to melt down. So does this. Go to the 1 hour. So everything's set to the same time frame. And if you're active trader, you're on the 1 hour. Less risk. There's only a few entries here. And there's so I'm selling this if it goes up. And for instance, buy limits here, maybe for 8 hours. Put some scalps in there, 15 pip stops. This doesn't take too much thinking. Here you want to trade this for, say, a bounce off of this. Just plop that in there. This is like going to the grocery store, really. Take a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And here comes the close of the stock market in about 15 minutes now. 14 minutes. So here comes a little panic move right here. The closing of the stock markets. Get some action here. Okay. Yeah, it's boring as it can be. I gotta say, this is really so not exciting. But that's the way it's been designed, I think. It's rigged.